binomial probability calculations on the Casio fx991 class whiz. So we've done calculations using the formula and using the cumulative probability tables. We now use the calculator's built-in statistical functions. Example 1, we have 28 trials. The probability of success in one of those trials is 0.42. We want the probability of exactly 12 successes. So on the calculator we want the binomial probability distribution function. So option 7 for statistical distributions. Now there's two options for binomial. There's this one here, binomial PD. This does exactly what the formula did. And then there's this one, binomial CD. This is exactly what the probability tables do. So we've got equals to here, so we can use the binomial probability distribution function, option 4, option 2, and x is 12, this value, n, the number of trials, is 28, probability of success 0.42, so this is the answer. So the binomial PD is what the formula does, and the binomial CD, cumulative distribution function, is what the tables do. So values in the calculator, you get your probability rounded to something appropriate. I've used 4 significant figures just in case I need to use this probability for any subsequent calculations. Okay, so part B, this time we have a cumulative probability, at most 14 successes. So on the calculator, if I hit the options key, select type, scroll down, binomial CD, option 2, and the values should still be in there, but the x value this time is 14, n is 28 as before, p is 0.42, and this is our probability. So use PD for equals, CD for less than or equal to. Part C, same binomial distribution, we want more than 22 successes. So we're looking for more than or equal to 23 successes. And the method is 1 minus less than or equal to 22. This we can get from the calculator, and then do 1 minus to that probability for the final answer. So options key again, type, scroll down, binomial CD, option 2, and we need 22 in here. Press equals. We need to store this in the calculator's memory or write it down somewhere, because we need to do 1 minus to this value. So if I store that in memory A, so that's now stored, press the AC key, menu, option 1, and then 1 minus, then I need to recall that probability that's in memory A. So we've got standard form. You can write that down, 1.631 times 10 to the power of minus 5, or if you follow this sequence, shift ENG 10 to the minus 3, shift ENG 10 to the power of 0 is 1. That's the value in ordinary form, which gives us this. Part D, between 8 and 13, that does not include the 8, it does not include the 13. It includes every value from 9, including the 9, all the way up to and including the 12. So less than or equal to 12 minus less than or equal to 8. And we get both of these from the calculator, n is 28, p is 0.42. And we do the same with the other one. Use your calculator's memories again, and then it will be this one, a minus b, 0.510. For practice, try these questions, and this time use the calculator's built-in statistical functions only. The quickest way to calculate binomial probabilities is with the calculator. However, there may be some questions where there's a missing n value or a missing p value where you have to use the tables. Because on the calculator we need all 3 of these values to do any calculations.